Andarki Shubhodayam. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jurisprudence class, Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sukkara. Friends, in the last video, we discussed the attachment of properties of Director Shankar by ED. Yesterday also I told you the famous premier investigating agency, CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. See, which was established under Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946. And in that act, section 6, I told you that if the CBI wants to interfere in a case relating to a state, permission is necessary. Other things also I told you, beautiful cases like 2G Spectrum, Sachem scam, or that Gali Janardhan Reddy, Obulapuram mining cases like that. Before scandal. Yeah. Right. Today we are going to touch upon another case where CBI inquiry or CBI investigation is ordered by the Supreme Court. Why? The heading is like this. Can a man whose passport was impounded or whose passports were deposited in the court travel to USA? Why not? If he prepares the that fake passport, he can happily bold at month help. Supreme Court to shock here. Justice Sudhantish Dhulia and Justice Manmohan in the case of Rajyasri Chokkal versus Manish Chokkal. Actually, this is a contempt case number 534 by 2022. And when the matter came up yesterday, that is on 21/2/2025, Supreme Court was shocked to learn that the man left for USA. The contemptor, Mr. Manish Chokkal, he left for USA. How is it possible? Sudhanshu Julia, Justice, he asked the Additional Solicitor General, Mr. Nataraj Kumar, what happened? What are you doing? How he has escaped? Of course, this case has been dragging for from 2022. When the matter came to light, then the Additional Solicitor General, he has asked these concerned people to collect the CCTV footage. Anyway, he has produced the CCTV footage from the airport, in which it was clearly shown that he went in a wheelchair and taking the documents he obtained from the US Embassy, taking advantage. And as a police officer, I can say, retired police, I can say that producing the fake passport, he left to USA and now he is not seen. Already he is a contemptor. Why he has become a contemptor means this is a dispute relating to the child custody between wife and husband. That is Rajyasri Chokkal and Manish Chokkal. The child was in USA. This Manish Chokkal, he was directed by the Supreme Court to bring the child from USA and hand over to the mother. But he did not do it. Therefore, he was held to be a contemptor. You know, the Contempt of the Courts Act 1971, where section 12 deals with the so-called punishment. The punishment will be up to 6 months jail or 2,000 rupees fine. It's a civil contempt. There are two, according to section 2, I told you, there are two types of contempts. One is civil contempt and another is criminal contempt. Civil contempt means not obeying the orders of the court. Willful disobedience is taken as contempt. He was asked to produce the child, but he failed to do so. And the court asked his passport to be handed over to the some police station. Let us take example. His passport should be in the court. So he requested that his father's passport may be released, and definitely he will deposit his passport. I think it was accepted. Whatever it is, Mr. Vipin Sinha, an advocate, he told the court that This man, that is Manish Chokkal, used forged or fake passport and he left for USA. Then Sudhanshu Duryasa, Justice, he said, how could this have been done? What are you doing? He asked the state, what are you doing? How can I? When he deposited the passport in the court and he can travel happily, then what for the impounding of the passport or depositing the passport? Then in such cases, what are you going to do? Then Additional Solicitor General clearly said, a case has to be registered, Your Honor, under the Passports Act. Second, they have to contact the counterpart in USA, get him arrested and bring him back. It's a laborious process or it may take some more time. He has to be brought back. So the matter is very serious. Posted back to 12 p.m. By 12 p.m. it was learned that it is a fact that the travel documents were given by US Embassy and he created the fake passport, including he forged the documents all. He forged all documents including the passport, went to the airport in a wheelchair and Sudhanshu Julia, Justice asked, was his passport not checked? Right, they checked, but when it is a fake passport, a duplicate passport, so definitely the way they know the ways and means. Right, court directed so to a case to be registered by the CBI and CBI will take up investigation and ensure that he gets back or he is brought back to India within 3 weeks. Let us see what will happen. So CBI will come into picture only when such international ramifications are there. They will investigate such beautiful cases. That's why in the beginning I told you it is a premier investigating agency in spite of the criticism. Cage in the parrot or parrot in the cage, it's not correct. But anyway, so let us see what will happen and I will come back to you if any fruitful results come. Thank you.